So here we are, sometime later, with the completed Mayo Chair. They're completely restored back to what they were in their original state when they were made back in the 60s. Of course, the chair itself, the design for the chair, dates back to the 1830s, and W.B. Yeats even commissioned a set of these to be made for his tower house renovation back in the 1918, if I remember rightly. So they're quite a lovely piece of furniture. This is the carver that I'm sitting on at present, and these are the standard trestle type again. So you can see the tusk tenon in the back of them there. I just pan it around and you see the scallop on the back of the chair there for lifting them around. So I've all repairs done to them, and I put a poly oil finish on them to give them durability. I've also put in Wengie wedges into them there to give them a black look on the wedge format there in between the wedge tenons, and dowels. I used the original dowels wherever I had them, and I put in new ones where I fell short. So all joints are there. Same thing on the base rail here. Put in Wengie wedges just to firm up the joint. So that's more a decoration than anything else. So they're quite solid, good to go now. They were in a bad state when they came in. I have wedges here where I put my fingers as well on the carver. If I get off my butt and show it there, you can see the Wengie wedges on the carver there also, and everything good as new. See the tusk tenons back in position there, and everything is filled, or plugged I should say. Don't use filler, I use plugs, and the grip there in the back, so everything's clean and polished. And the wedge in the bottom spigot here that comes through from the stretcher rail, that's tenoned with or wedged with a wedgie tenon, with a Wengie wedge to spread the actual tenon itself closed. So that's it. These are my chairs. Nice to sit down on. They're actually quite comfortable because they have a slope of about 7 degrees on the back of them. So quite a nice chair. So much so that I've taken the measurements from them, and I've actually drawn the piece. I have it mapped on my drawing boards there. So I'm going to make a complete new set of them in Nordic pine, which I had down the back of the workshop there, which is some timber. Old timber, wasn't sure what to do with it, so I'm going to make a complete set of these in Nordic pine. These particular chairs are made in Iroko, good timber, African timber, so it's very durable, hardware and etc. So every joint in these are bomb-proof now, and going forward, going back into Clonacody House, they should serve the occupants of that house for the next 100 years or more without any problems occurring with them structurally. So that's it. Hope you like what you see. Over and out for now.